Hello everybody, welcome to Drishti Live. This is Sheetal Rao, your spoken English faculty. In this video, I'm just gonna tell you how to give a near perfect introduction. I've come across with so many guys who don't know how to introduce themselves in a proper manner. Whenever I ask them to introduce themselves, they're like, oh my goodness, what to say, where to start, and I don't have strong vocabulary, I feel nervous, I'm hesitating a lot, I can't do it. So this exhibits lack of confidence. So I don't want the same thing to happen with my students. Okay, so let me introduce myself first. Hello everybody, I hope it's coming along really well in your neck of the woods. This is Sheetal Rao. You can call me Sheetal. The meaning of my name is calm and peaceful, and I'm just like my name. My name states it all. Okay, I'm a very calm and peaceful person. I'm an easygoing person. I always try to make people feel at ease so that they don't hesitate and feel like they don't hesitate at all, and they open up to me and they talk to me frankly. So I'm a nature lover, I'm an avid lover of nature, and I appreciate each and every creation of God. And the best part, the best gift of God is nature. We human beings are also part of nature, but unfortunately we are destroying our beloved nature. What I believe is that be positive and always try to spread positivity around yourself. So this way it helps me a lot to see this world in like a different manner, in a different way, in a different perspective. And if we all try to be friendly, if we all try to be amiable, then this world will become a better place to live in. I hope you buy that. And also, I'm talking about myself, like I belong to Hisar and I have so many pets. I'm a pet lover as well, and I'm an artist. I love painting and listening to music, and I'm much into movies, and I love watching movies a lot. I love reading books a lot. I'm a bibliophile, and I've read over 50 books till date, and I'm still reading, because reading just takes me to a whole different world, and this is the best way to escape from the harsh reality. So okay, coming to the pets, I love my pets a lot, and sometimes I feel like my pets are my real family, and they are much better than my biological family, because I feel more at ease with my pets. And what I believe is that human beings are not much friendly, rather pets are lovable and they give you selfless love. And I love cats a lot. I adore cats, and they're like, my kitty is my lifeline. I can't survive without her. I can't just imagine my life without her. And there is a lot more and more and more to reveal about myself, but for today it will suffice. Thank you so much for lending me your ears and listening to me with keen interest. Have a great day. So did you notice? I just kept on speaking about myself. And I didn't hesitate at all, and I didn't take long pauses like you do. You keep on thinking, and what you do is you firstly think something in in Hindi, then you translate the whole sentence into English, and then you speak. So this process takes a long time. Okay, this is a long procedure, and it doesn't sound cool, it doesn't sound natural. Okay, and sometimes your introduction seems like a cramped speech, but my introduction didn't sound like the one you listen to like in your spoken English class, or like at home, or whenever you ask somebody to introduce themselves, then it sounds like a cramped speech. But this thing should not happen with my spoken English students. So I wish you all the very best for your future. Okay, if you want me to help you more with your self-introduction, then let me give you some quick tips, okay? First of all, okay, like as I told you before, that you shouldn't take long pauses, but do you wonder how can we avoid taking long pauses? Because like reason is that we don't have strong vocabulary. Like I do have strong vocabulary now. I'm constantly working on this, okay? But most of you may not have a very strong vocabulary. So what you can do is start writing your journals. Now what are journals? Journal is nothing but like your diary, your personal diary, okay? If you are like, you can afford to write your diary. If you don't have like top-notch secrets, you should not write your top-notch secrets in your diary because anybody can read it. Okay, so avoid that, but you can just write how did you spend your day and how did you feel all day long. Okay, such kind of things. Then your mind will actually start processing things straight away in English. Okay, so this is going to be super beneficial for you to hone your spoken English skills. Okay, and what else? Second thing is that always try to maintain proper eye contact with the person you are talking to. Okay, it sounds like it looks more professional and it looks more sophisticated and much better than your old ways to interact with people, and always try to wear a warm smile on your face. Okay, this attracts people, like not in that way. It attracts people in a positive manner. It shows that you are a friendly person, okay, and you are ready to talk. So these little things, these small things make a huge difference, you know. So try to use these tips, and all the very best for your future. Thank you so much.